Shalom and welcome to Looking Up. I invite you for a conversation. Let's ask each other questions and look up answers in the Torah and other sources. Last week we discussed this question. How come only 20% of Jews who were enslaved in Egypt, that's 3 million people, actually left Egypt, while 80%, that's 12 million people, did not leave Egypt? How was it possible? They enjoyed slavery? To understand this, we need to realize that there were different levels of slavery. While everyone was enslaved, some people enjoyed more comfortable lives. They enjoyed their good relations with the Egyptians. They didn't work as hard, and they wouldn't give up their comfort for such an important cause as ending their slavery, becoming a great nation, going with the Creator to the light. And now look around. Do we see now people who are slaves of their own comfort? They wouldn't give up their comfort, their privilege, their wealth to be free of increasing anti-Semitism and hostility against Jews? And this brings us to the next question in this week's Parsha Beshalach. Here Jews are free. They're walking in the desert. They're led by the Creator during the day and at night. They're provided with manna. They have food. They are totally protected by the Creator. But here's an enemy strikes. Amalek. Who is Amalek? Amalek comes from the words Amalek, the people who came to lick blood. Those were people who were hating Jews so much they were thirsty for the Jewish blood. And here's the war that Jews had to fight. How did they fight the war? They did it on two levels. While Joshua, Moses' student, was leading the battle on earth, the physical battle, Moses went up the mountain and he was lifting his hands up, talking to the Creator, asking the Creator to help the Jews. And while his hands were up, the Jews, led by Joshua, were winning. But when his hands became heavy and they were going down, and the Jews sighed and they were losing. And then the hands went up again, they were winning. Down, Jews were losing. And it was going back and forth until Aaron, Moses' brother, and his nephew Hur came and they were holding his hands up. And Moses was praying and the Jews eventually won. The Torah says that there is a Amalek in every generation. There are people who are thirsty for the Jewish blood in every generation. That's a sign for us that we are not doing something right. And what do we learn? How do we fight Amalek? We have to do it on two levels, on physical level and on spiritual level. So please send me any insight you have on how can we fight Amalek in our generation. And now I'm wishing you good Shabbat. Please have good rest, lots of inspiration. Shabbat Shalom.